Okay, kids, for writing today, you are going to watch this video here, Wednesday, 6 ways to start a sentence. It gives you 6 different ways to make your writing a little bit more interesting so that your sentences don't all sound the same. After you've watched the video, go back and look at the writing you've done so far and see if you've been mixing up the ways that you write sentences. Good writers often intertwine different types of sentences in their writing. I encourage you to use each of these 6 types of sentence starters in your own writing. I challenge you to use all 6 if you can in the stories that you're creating. Have fun, relax, and enjoy your writing time.